try number 7. God, I suck at this. So, these have been extremely comfortable, very nice for me. At work, I use just the left one, and I am able to wear that for my entire 8-hour shift, including my lunch, basically until the thing dies, very comfortably, with no trouble. And I am old. I am the guy that I like these big over-ear comfy headphones, and I typically don't like in-earbuds, but these, extremely comfortable. This was what I was using when I had to, and I could only wear this thing for a couple hours, and then it would actually hurt. I don't know why, but it would, and I hate it. That was so satisfying. These, amazingly comfortable, really, really good sound. I'm basing my opinion on the quality of their sound on my love of V-Moda headphones. Those are absolutely wonderful. These are really, really good. And price point, I think those were like 130 something. These were 22. Now, sound quality, I'm not saying that these are anywhere close to those. I am saying price point, they're being in-earbuds and not over-ear headphones, them being wireless and not wired. It's amazing at how good they do sound. So absolutely impressed and just very impressed. Yeah, that's the best word. I just used the best word I can. See, I told you I suck at this. So the touch things, the touch pads, touch areas, whatever, quite sensitive. So sensitive, in fact, if you have satin or fake satin pillowcases, they'll activate the things. Just in case you like to sleep on your side. But yeah, they actually do work. They are sensitive. The left one's going to turn your volume down, go back on a track. Your right one's going to turn volume up and go forward on tracks, things like that. Both of them will play pause. Both of them will answer a call. And when you have both of them out, if you hold your finger on it, you will turn them both off. So that's something to know, that if you do want to use just one of them at work or for whatever reason, maybe safety while you're walking, whatever, just leave the other one in the case and it'll be fine. You just won't have the functionality of the touch of the other one, obviously. Like, you're not going to have volume up and down now on just one of the earbuds. It's just, that's not going to work. Hey, nice. Took me 3 minutes to realize that. Anyway, yeah, these, if you're looking for some in-earbuds for work, gym, whatever, you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you want decent quality, I don't know why, but these things really fit the bill. I like them.